Nandita, it seems that some Congress MPs have put in that notice for the Lokpal debate today.
Jagdambika Pal, Anu Tandon and some other MPs of the Congress party have put in a notice, we understand, for a discussion on the Jan Lokpal bill. But Maruk, the important difference here is that they put a notice for a discussion under Rule 193, which does not entail voting. What the government was trying to do is to have the discussion under Rule 184, which would have ultimately passed a resolution and there would have been a vote on the floor of the House. That's been a keen demand of Team Anna. So perhaps what the party is now trying to do is to send a message that we are keen to have a discussion, we want a debate on this, but it is Team Anna where the assurance is really not coming from. So this excuse that was being given by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that there hasn't been a notice, that's been perhaps taken care of by one section of the party, that we put in a notice, but they know very well that Team Anna is not going to be satisfied with the discussion under Rule 193, which does not really pass a resolution at the end except for just a reply from the minister who initiates the discussion. Maruk.
So now, Nandita, what we are given to understand now is that this notice has been given, like you said, under Section 193, which means that no voting. Clearly, this is not going to be acceptable to Team Anna, and the government knows that.
They know that, but I think what they're trying to do is to send a strong message on many levels. First of all, they've communicated to Team Anna that we need some sort of assurance on when Anna Hazare will end his fast. We've also been given to understand that some members of Team Anna say that when the debate begins, he would end his fast. Some say that only after the resolution is passed, if it were to start today, then tomorrow evening that the fast would end. So they feel that there's been some confusion on that front and they want some clarity, and they want that clarity in the form of a written assurance from Team Anna. But at the same time, they don't want to be seen as, not interested in a discussion, and that's why perhaps the notice under Rule 193, whether that takes place or not is really not the concern, because what Team Anna has been asking for a compromise is a resolution after which, the suggestions or the commitments that the government talks about as far as Jan Lokpal bill is concerned, that would be passed on to the standing committee. So that process not happening, but yes, to give a message that we are keen on a discussion, a notice has been given for Rule 193. But like I said, sources in government say that the ball is entirely in Team Anna's court. We need some sort of assurance from them that Anna Hazare has to end his fast at some point, and what is that? We need that assurance.